Don't you just hate it after when you're eating, food gets stuck between your teeth? Introducing the Bitvae Oral Irrigator Cordless 20. Straight out of the box, you have your instructions manual, a USB-A to USB charge cable, and total of 6 interchangeable heads with 2 varieties. You have your typical spray jet head, and also this is known as a tongue cleaner, and also a tongue scraper built in one. All right, and here is the large capacity 300 milliliter water flosser or oral irrigator. It's recommended to use this before you brush your teeth. That's what I always do at night before I go to sleep. And it really helps to remove those food particles trapped between the teeth and in the gums, you know, because sometimes normal flossing would not work. All right, this is a nice color right here, kind of like a smoky finish black. They have many different colors to choose from. There's a power button, and I think this is probably the level indicator. Okay, and there's where the charge part goes. A full 3-hour charge will last 40 days. That's right, making this ideal for travel. So welcome to my guest bathroom. I'm ready to fill up water. By the way, I love this aerator. Check it out. How awesome is that? Let's go ahead and fill it. Large capacity, don't forget 300 milliliters or 10 ounces. Now I'm getting ready to attach the head, depending on what you want to do. Clean your tongue or between your teeth. And by the way, this is the nozzle unlock button. So let's see if you have it already in. You can't just simply take it out. You have to press this button in order to, whoops, to unlock it. It looks like it's that's quite powerful itself. Okay, so let's put that in there. All right, ready to turn it on. Okay, there's 3 power levels. I think this is low right here. Okay, medium. Wow, that's quite powerful. And high. So it ranges from 30 to 100 psi. That is really powerful. Oh wait, let's test it out. Okay, are you guys ready? I hope I don't get my bathroom wet. I'm gonna start out with low, right? So just imagine I already finished brushing my teeth. It's time to floss it. Oh, opposite. I meant it's time to floss it before I brush it. This is low. I can deal with this. Increase the level. I can work with that. Now high. Ooh. High is a little bit too high pressure, but at least now you know it's there to reach in the back of your teeth, all right? And maybe it can also help you remove those annoying tonsil stones that give you bad breath. Now to test out the tongue scraper, in case you guys don't know what's the purpose of tongue scraper, it helps remove those bacteria that's built up. Like sometimes you get an extreme amount of whiteness right there, and this is what it's used for. Okay, so flosser and tongue scraper built in one. Here we go. Can you guys see how useful that is? Yeah, you're on your way to a better breath. And also there's 360 degrees of rotations. So depending on how you want to handle it to get a better grasp, you have that motion control right there. So as you can see, having one of these portable oral irrigator or water flosser comes in handy, especially when you're on travel, because I can't bring the large scale unit with me anywhere. But at least now I have it in the palm of my hands, take it with me anywhere, especially on business travel, on vacations, with the high PSI settings. It can help you remove those harmful food particles hidden in between your teeth, making this the perfect oral hygiene addition to your daily routine.